What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have missed me. I've not been uploading for some time now because I had a little problem. I was sick and I was really stressed up, so for weeks now I've not been able to upload, but I'm back now and I'm here for you guys. Watch out for more videos, more videos after this one. So guys, in today's video I want to talk about the top internet scams in Nigeria. I really want to talk about those top internet scams that are really popular in Nigeria now that you must have likely been tempted to fall victim of. If this is your first time in this channel, my name is Collins. Welcome to my channel. I talk about healthy living, finances and travels. Those are my areas of interest. So if you're interested in those topics, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Trust me, you won't regret doing so. So without much ado, let's get into this. The first popular online scam now in Nigeria is the COVID-19 scam. You know, because of this pandemic, you see so many scammers now that will sometimes send you a text message saying that you've been shortlisted for the federal government palliative, that you should do this and do that, send one code to this, and or that you should do one or two things so that you'll be able to receive your funds. Some of them sell fake products online. They set up fake websites and sell fake products that once you make payments in the name of purchasing, you never get your products delivered to you. Some also set up fake websites and claim they are charity organizations that are asking you to donate money and do all that. And at the end, you find that your money has gone in the wrong hands. So be very watchful out there, and before you donate money to any organization, whether whatever they call the organization, make sure that you do some background checks. Go online and check the reviews for such organizations. Search them on Twitter, search them on other social media platforms, and know if they have a credible presence in all those platforms before doing any sort of business with them. Be watchful. Another form of online scam that is very prevalent in Nigeria now is disaster relief scams. The current crisis we have in Nigeria now, the currently going in NSAS protests, that the federal government have decided to start shooting on innocent civilians that are protesting peacefully. So many people are taking advantage of this. See some people come online and claim that probably their sister, one of his sister or one of his cousins or whatever, any of his relatives have been shot, and the person is in the hospital and wants to so and so treatments, and please they need funds, that you should please donate, blah 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 blah. And at the end you find out that you're giving money to the wrong person. There's no sick person, nobody was shot. It's just because you just want to come there and deceive people and get money out of them, out of their pockets. So you should be careful. Make sure that you verify every information that you see out there before you donate money, before you give out your money to anybody. Make sure that the person is truly saying the truth. I'm not saying that you shouldn't make donations. I'm just saying that you should just be careful. Another very popular and prevalent scam in Nigeria now is investment scams. I don't know, everybody, if you've been in Nigeria for a while now, or since the beginning of this 2020, you must have heard about binomial investments, whatever investments, all sorts of investment schemes and all that. Some of them are obviously Ponzi schemes, some of them are something else in disguise. So it just goes this way. They will come and tell you that okay, you should invest so amount that in the next 5 minutes that you get up to 300% of your investment. Can you imagine? So, but funny enough, many people fall victim of all those scams. But you should be careful now that the first rule in any investment is that the higher the returns, the higher the risk. The higher return someone is promising you on your money, on any investment you are doing, you should know that equates the higher the risk of whatever the person is putting the money into to generate the profits or the returns the person is giving back to you. So you should be very careful. Whoever that is introducing any investment scheme to you, telling you that you should invest, they give 50% in 2 weeks, they give you 100% in 45 minutes or in any minutes. So one more thing is that before you invest your money with any group, with anybody, why don't you first of all check out the company? If it's a company, check out the company online. Go and read some people's reviews about those companies. Check them on social media and know if they have credible presence there. Another popular scam in Nigeria right now is phishing scams, where they send you fake emails that prompt you to click one link that will take you to one site like that will ask you to do one or two things and all that. Most times those sites those links will take you to either steal your personal information or just steal whatever they want from you. So you should be careful in opening, especially emails that you have in your spam. Be careful when opening any email that you see in your inbox, and be careful before clicking links. Make sure that the links you are clicking are from a verifiable source. Make sure it's from a trusted source so that you won't have your personal details, your personal information falling into the wrong hands. So these are the popular scams that I have in my mind now. So any other internet scams that are really popular now that you want others to know about, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I would like to see them, and so that other people will get to see them too. Don't forget to like this video. If you've not done that, please like this video. It's very helpful in ranking this, and it helps my channel. So please don't forget, like this video. I'm begging you, just like it, keep the like button down there, and share this video with your friends too. You don't know whoever that you might be helping. And if you've not subscribed, this is your first time in this channel, I'm Collins. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Love from Collins.